Hello everyone, Timothy here from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have this YAMAHA audio video receiver remote control. It is the RAV329. If yours is lost or perhaps broken, we'll be glad to replace it with a brand new one here from ReplacementRemotes.com, where we do have the best prices and selection for remote controls on the internet. The part number on this remote is WM873800. It is the brand new and original equipment from Yamaha. We offer a 60-day warranty and a no questions asked guarantee return policy here at ReplacementRemotes.com. If you have a question or would like to make the order by phone, give us a call, 336-924-8787. Our friendly staff will be glad to help you, or as always, log on to our website by clicking the link below this video I provided, then hit the green Buy It Now button and we'll ship you this brand new Yamaha remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.